All right, guys. So I got myself the burner. I made it. There's gonna be a full video about it, obviously. But yeah, I just want to show you a quick snippet of what it's gonna look like. So, let me just put the phone right here. Get the full view. You get the front view. Get the front view of everything. I don't know if you're gonna see anything, but because it's so bright. Where's the striker? Nice striker. Right? All right. I'm not putting too much gas. All right. All right, ready, guys? Venturi burner. Barely see it. But yeah, that's it. Works like a charm.